See how to list a new offer with your product in One Fulfillment by Allegro in a few simple steps. Go to the menu in the top right corner, select Sales, and click My Assortment. Then select Add New Offer. In the next step, enter the name or the GTIN of the products. Click Search to have the system automatically suggest products from the Allegro product catalog. If you do not see your product, you can create it when listing the offer. To do this, use the Continue without selecting the product option. Then, find and select your product category. The system will automatically select your best offers. This works just like on a regular account. The difference is that you do not fill in certain parameters, such as stock and forms of delivery. We complete these for you. Complete all the required fields, such as title, GTIN, brand. You can also mark additional features of your product. Next, select Images. Make sure that the first image, or the thumbnail, is against a white background and has good photo quality. Next, add a description of your product. In the next step, enter the price and select the VAT rate. In Delivery and Payment, the system automatically inserts the One Fulfillment price list. Also, add the returns and complaint options in the Offer Terms section. Then, click Create Offer. Congratulations! You have just listed your offer. Now, go to My Assortment to see the details of all your offers. Your offer is pending now. Once we have received the products at the warehouse, its status will change, and you will start selling. Remember that you can edit your offer at any time. To do this, select three dots on the right and click Edit. How to list an offer with a product that is already in the Allegro product catalog? You can easily create an offer with a product that has already been added to the Allegro product catalog. See how to do this. First, select Add New Offer. Then, enter the product's name or GTIN and click Search. The system will suggest products for you. If any of them matches the one you want to list, click on it and choose Select to enter. In this way, an offer will be created where you can set appropriate parameters, such as a description, images, price, return terms, and complaints. Then you can go to your offer's preview. If you think that everything is correct, select Create Offer. Congratulations! You have just listed your offer.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.